How to drop a pin on Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Google Maps application. Then, simply find the location where you want to put the pin. After locating that, what you will have to do is tap and hold on that particular area, and then here you'll find an option of add label. Tap on it and then simply select the label like this. You can even share it with contact and your place is set. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.